Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max is set to launch 30th, 2021. It will be priced at $1,900, which is about ₦1 million. Although the good news is we are just a month away from seeing how the new iPhone looks. On this video, I will share a little sneak peek on the details of the new iPhone 13 Pro Max and the AirPods 3. Now let's go straight to this device. For the design, the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max are expected to be nearly identical to the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max in terms of shape and design. One thing Apple just started introducing every year is the new iPhone colors. From the leaked videos and images, the 13 Pro Max will be available in the new matte black color. This color will reportedly replace the graphite color and will be much darker and closer to black rather than gray. Camera. The iPhone 13 Pro Max rear camera lenses are way bigger than the 12 Pro Max. And larger lenses let in more light, which increases image quality, especially in low or poor lighting conditions. The iPhone 13 Pro Max will have a triple camera setup, which is 60 megapixel wide, 60 megapixel telephoto, 60 megapixel ultra wide. It also features a rear camera setup, which includes digital zoom, autofocus, face detection, touch to focus, and the front camera of the 13 Pro Max is expected to be 60 megapixel for selfies and video chat. As for the screen, this device will feature a 6.7 inches display with a resolution of 1284 by 2778, and it will also come with an OLED screen. It will have a 120Hz refresh rate, front and back Corning Gorilla Glass and stainless steel frame. For the performance and storage, the new 13 Pro Max will come with iOS 15. For the chipset, it will come with an M1 chip. For the battery, it will come with 4000 mAh battery. For the RAM, it will come with an 8 GB RAM. For storage, the 13 Pro Max will come in 512 gig or 1 TB. Now, with this new storage, you'll be able to store a lot of songs, video games, and more on this phone without worrying about space constraints. Now, I know you've been waiting to hear news about the AirPods 3, so I'm just going to dive right in. The AirPods 3 is going to launch September alongside with 13 Pro Max. It will be priced at $199 and it will have 5-hour battery life and backup power of 24 hours. It will have a slightly smaller case like the AirPods Pro, and it will support wireless charging. So that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.